In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your desktop background in Windows 11. Customizing your desktop can bring a touch of personality to your workspace, making it more than just a screen, but rather a reflection of your style and mood. Let's dive in and transform your desktop in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you're on your desktop screen. Here's where we begin. Right-click on an empty area of your desktop. This step opens up a context menu, unveiling a host of options for you to explore. From this menu, simply select Personalize. Personalization is at the heart of Windows 11, offering you the ability to tailor your experience, and this option is your gateway. Once you've clicked Personalize, a new window will pop up, directing you to the Settings menu. Here, you'll want to locate and select Background. This tab is your canvas, where the magic of choosing and changing your wallpaper takes place. As you click into the Background section, you'll see Personalize your background right before your eyes. Clicking the drop-down menu here allows you to choose the type of background you wish to create. Your choices are varied and exciting. If you opt for a picture background, you have the option to select from recent images that Windows conveniently displays for you. But don't worry if none of those suit your taste. Just click on Browse Photos to pick an image from your personal collection stored on your computer. Have fun with it. Choose an image that lifts your spirits or sparks creativity whenever you glance at your desktop. Alternatively, you can select a solid color for a clean, minimalist look. With a vast color palette at your disposal, you can choose a hue that resonates with your current vibe. Whether it's a calming blue, an energizing yellow, or a professional gray, the choice is all yours. Feeling a bit more dynamic? Why not opt for a slideshow? Select a folder of images you love and watch them rotate as your background, adding a fresh touch every few minutes or hours, depending on your preference. For those who thrive on novelty, Windows Spotlight provides a delightful option by delivering a new, curated image from Microsoft every day. It's like receiving a surprise art piece tailored for you. If you've picked a picture, you can further customize its appearance on your screen by selecting how it fits your display from the Choose a Fit for your desktop image drop-down. Options such as Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, or Span allow you to adjust your image until it looks just right. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your Windows 11 desktop can transform into a serene sanctuary, an inspirational board, or an elegant showcase, ready to greet you each time you power on your computer. Happy customizing!